we are on our way to location number 2. You see that the first one was paper airplane throwing competition. It was really tough, so they made it a little bit easier on us, and it was still tough, and then they made it even easier, and then everyone finished pretty much at the same time right after that. So one of the other competitor cars is that one right there, the Jeep. We're in the right lane.
Alicia and Corey. Yeah.
So,
They're
cruising
trying
around
to
Del Mar.
cut ahead of us.
We're trying to not let them in. We'll see. The other times be nice. Racing Race is not one of them.
T-Pink.
That's right. Alright, so the last one, we got there a few minutes early before they were able to set up because they weren't open yet. We probably were supposed to spend longer at the paper airplane one, but Kim took pity on us and made the task a little bit easier. So we hung around, chatted with Corey, Alicia, Alicia, and Lizzie. And then we got the option, cars or coins. We could either sort the cars based on the year they were released, or the year of the model, or we could look through a bowl of rice and coins to try to find a 1988 coin. All three of our groups chose coins. So we dug around, Caitlin found the coin. We're the first ones done. It was a dime. And then we grabbed our clue and we're off to the next one. So this is a detour to the market or around town.
Which exit?
Keep going. I'm going to read this. I'll come back.
If we need the dime at any point, it's here.
Alright, so we're doing this detour is to the market. You must search the Vons in the Beachside Del Mar Shopping Center for these specific items and write down their prices in the spaces provided. The numbers in the circles are the numbers you will use to open the lock in your toolbox. Note, the numbers for the lock are not in the correct order on this page. You must work out which of the 24 possible combinations will open your lock. So we're looking for My Remo Mochi Ice Cream, green tea, Bob's Red Mill Xanthium Gum, I Didn't Choose the Pug Life card, a birthday card, and Bigelow 20-count green tea bags.
Okay. And it's at a Vons?
Vons, yes.
Okay. So, gum's probably going to be in the checkout aisles?
No, that's going to be baking, because it's Red Mill Xanthium Gum, so it's like a flour substitute.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Red Mill's usually like a flour substitute.
So baking and tea are usually right next to each other.
Continue on exit 1
So you're going to take this exit, Carmel Creek.
This is where I was yesterday.
And then when you get off, you're going to turn left.
Okay.
All right.
Make your way to 10555 Sereno Valley Road.
Key?
Look for George II. He will give you instructions. Huh? Oh yeah, sorry.
And we're off.
You're the first A.
All right.
All right. So, one of you has to be blindfolded and the other has to give instructions. So
I'll be blindfolded.
Okay.
All right. So, this is your next destination, which I'll give you at the end. Sure, whatever. So this is what you're doing.
Okay.
And actually, I'm supposed to be blindfolded now.
Okay.
And then that one, yeah, that's the right direction. Now another short pipe piece goes inside that other one, and then the cap goes on the end of that. And now, so grab the last remaining short piece in the box towards you more. That one. So that goes in the last T piece, and I don't think that's going to work because it's a thread connector.
All right. Yeah. So I think what we have to do is, since it won't go in, you just...
Yeah, we can just hold it. Okay, so now
That's just a handle, right?
no, that's the one you're going to blow into.
Yeah.
So
just blow into that.
So so put down the gun real quick.
I think you're about as done as you can get with that.
Just about. So
So these are just extra pieces?
assemble those three together.
These?
Those two, and the one left in the box. Now the longer one of those would be what you blow into, and that one, that one you blow into, and then the other piece goes inside the top part of the gun, where that thread one was, the thread T.
This is the top part of the
Yes.
gun?
Yeah. So it goes That's exactly how it goes together.
So you're pretty much done. So go ahead and try to shoot at the marshmallow.
Blindfolded, or do I take a blindfold off?
I think you can.
Load it up.
So it's a muzzle loader. And you don't want the marshmallows to get past there, otherwise.
Or you don't want them to get past there either.
Well,
They'll fall down.
You got, Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Where do I shoot him? Just in the grass?
Shoot Brian. All right. That's it.
Okay.
You got your next destination?
Yeah.
A8?
Assembling things. That's the next one. Do we take this with us?
Okay, so we are heading back to the location we started. First one there wins. That's our pit stop. Yeah, baby.
Let's not get in an accident. Hand me the camera.
And where do I turn?
Turn right. You want to go to 5, so you turn left. Because it wants you to turn like back and then make a U-turn. It's a very strange thing.
I probably would have said that turn right.